About this item: wonderful vlog tripod kits. This accessories bundle kits is designed for compact cameras / iPhone, smartphone / GoPro action cam users. Including extension table, tripod, phone holder, shutter, and action cam mount adapter, compatible with iPhone, Sony, Canon, Nikon, GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Black, DJI Osmo Action, and you don't need to get other attachments. 2-in-1 selfie tripod. The extendable tripod can works as handle grip or selfie stick, mini and lightweight, best accessory for vlog. Widely compatible with webcam, Sony, Canon, Nikon DSLR camera. Cold shoe and 360 ball head tripod stand. The ball head is 360 degrees rotatable, fit any angle you want, and supporting vertical shooting. There is a cold shoe on the ball head, enable to mount a microphone for voice recording and LED video light, which give a best solution for video quality improvement. Phone hotshot mount and shutter and GoPro mount. Cold shoe on the phone clip, enable to mount a microphone or LED video light. Shutter allows to realize remote photograph. GoPro mount fit any sport cameras. All three in package. You don't need to spend another money to get any of them. Lightweight and easy to carry. The tripod is only 22.5 centimeters, 170 g. It's so mini and lightweight that you can put in any storage bag or backpack.